Meghalaya NGOs today made a complaint to the Meghalaya Chief Minister of not getting an audience with the Union Home Minister Amit Shah during the meeting in Shillong. The NGOs belonging to RBYF, FKJGP, KSU, and COMSO met the Chief Minister at the main secretariat and told him that they were dissatisfied with the Union's minister attitude for not allowing them to meet him. The NGOs told the Chief Minister that they will be able to give only the memorandum to the Union Home Minister. Responding to the complaint of the NGOs, the Chief Minister said that he would take up the matter with the Central, in which the NGOs, along with him, will meet the official Union Home Minister to place their demand.
Menginyo ya perlu jemut janai hak beri pada jin dawa penterikam no ya ka ILP. Menrei nak liang jong Home Minister semla ailak ya takapor ngilayu olat tang bantu sambil no ya ka memorandum ni ya ka jitho. Menrei ding menteri rang ba jong kacela perat sama bala yo ya kapor ban ya keren ba Home Minister buat kumjuru ban ya perlu jemut halor ka ILP. Di Kadi ka daw bang iwan ban ya kenduk yo menteri ran ba ban tip sa ya kai ga jing kwa jong u Home Minister ri nak liang ga jong uru la ya thu ba Home Minister wong ba kwa bakan don ka jing ya keren ka bacana ya ka ba le se kanum kut hakisan nan ka chipo menen di wan ka taru menteri ran ba ya thu ngi ba nak liang jong Home Minister un ya kenduk pat ya ka kanhun ki menteri bat kumju ru ya ngi ki sen bahalang kante po nong ba dali but kapor di kendu kalong ba lesi kan long ha kapor ba kani ka budget session jong ka parliament kan ya di la sania hau menteri dang ba bo nya penbek ya kapor bat ka jing kendu hot wan ada ngi dap la ka jing susi ngi dap la ka jing bom smohon la ni ka jing bom sultanat ya kani ka sngi ngi lakmi nanti ba kani ka sngi ka ba ai dak jingkermen ya kajak menruhi berakoi hendai ingin namdu bersim bina yele ne kun kenang yai teli ni ai kubli ya baro ki bajba ki bala kersan ya ngi bat ya baro ki sen balang bat de na kajing kersan ng bajba le singi la bat pongu ya ki nre pongut ki mle ban pas ni terus susun bat akhir nanti ba kajing ya kun kajing ya sya bat kajing ya yele kajongi klem kan radin kan la sedon mempenit ya sokar India bat ayangi ya kan ILP kumbang iong ba hoj wat lam ta sngi ngim semala ban poi sa thong re ngim di bandu jakan men ngin ya ya khun ngin ya le bat ngin nang penrehem susu ya kajing dawa ka jongi ya ka LP ti hakini ki tayo hi ngin sadon ya ka meeting ka bakal pang ngin ya plu jemut janai kumno ngin le bat ngi batang ko ngi ular sa ki bajba ba nakliang komso ngin du jakan men ngin nang penbhang na pencanai ladi bat ihmil ti ba ka komso harkat ki wei ki sang bahlang harkat ya jing trelang jong baro ki parti bat jong baro ki bajba jong jela ngin sapoi ha ka thong bat kata ka thong kalong bangin yo ban penterikam ya kan lain pembin ha jela
Ibu penhun sang balang angkat duka penhun menteri sa lomba dari banyak kan company akan kamat hadisi bantuan kata kalau sangba ka commission jong CM 4 asrar dia handai ngasuang tang kawai ka jingjiam ta singi ngasoba kadai kamdai tang ka install ya ka government di sang balang di install ka jang kawai wan yu kejat hadu kadai ka beri ka jongi kat ya kadai ko isu oleh kerani posnam semela aja keren. Padahal kita nongkrong jangan kapor keren bah. Kasarkar dia iman mau penyuben ini. Ina kami nanti lada sistem tam kita ke resolution lapas kasarkar jalan sekaipat dengan keren. Jadi saling ini menculik, meneling menculik pantang karai. Loong hoat ne em. Yes or no holor ka IT. Kata ka jumut kucung. Din ngongin don kamsu iban aj to andai jaj baki don pat kiwi isu bat mairu di fa man kalau bisa ban biak sesian holor ka isu LP mereka jaga resolution lapas kasar jala kamdai tang kasur jong hundu pungot rai maki berrepresent yo pajba jong jala katu di kasur jong pajba the resolution sa kasarkar kadi kasarkan dia ke banyo buram bat kada ben kentang itu ka resolution ka ben ngau jiko jeng nam jong jala ko
As I stated from the beginning in the morning, I mean when I started my the press conference, that initially the plan was to stay back, and then after that, because of the change in program, he had to go back, and he has expressed that he'll be happy to meet both the cabinet and the other organizations also, and it is on my insistence that I said that at least give time so that we can submit the memorandum to you. So based on that, the events took place according to what was mentioned by him. And we will be seeking appointment now to go to Delhi and meet him, maybe sometime when the parliament session starts. We will be discussing that when we go. We were not able to discuss all these matters today because there was entire NEC program was there. So those matters we're going to discuss. So when we go back, when we go to Delhi, the organizations also will meet separately. Cabinet also will be stressing. In our memorandum that we submitted, we have reiterated that a resolution was passed by the cabinet and by the assembly for ILP implementation, and we have urged the government to consider that. We mentioned about the border issue. We mentioned about amendment to 6th schedule. We mentioned about the 8th schedule of the language to include Khasi and Garo. So these were the points that were mentioned in the memorandum that we submitted today.